In the next examples, we're going to rewrite addition and subtraction problems solely as addition and then use the commutative property of addition to add our results. So first, let's rewrite this problem as solely an addition problem. So we have -4 plus 8. Instead of -3, we're going to use plus -3. And then we have plus 6. Now let's highlight our negative numbers in one color and our positive numbers in another color. Now we're going to put the sum of the positive terms. Well, that's 8 plus 6, which is 14. And the sum of our negative terms is -4 plus -3, which is -7. So it's nice to combine terms this way because when we add positive numbers, we add the absolute values. When we add negative numbers, we add their absolute values. So we're mostly just using addition here of positive numbers. And then in the last part is the one case where we'll need to actually subtract. So it's 14 plus -7. And this is addition of signed numbers, but when the numbers have different signs, remember we subtract their absolute values. So 14 minus 7 is 7. And since 14 is larger in absolute value and it's positive, our result is positive 7. Let's look at the next one. Let's start by rewriting this as addition. So we have 8. Instead of minus -5, we're going to add the opposite. So we're going to add positive 5. This is addition, so we have plus 6. This is subtraction, minus 2, so we're going to write that as plus -2. And then we have plus -1. Now let's highlight our positive terms. How about in yellow? Positive, positive, positive. And our negative terms in orange. Now the sum of our positive terms, 8 plus 5 plus 6, well this is 11 plus 8 is 19. And you can add them in any order you want. And the sum of the negative terms, -2 plus -1, is -3. So now, to combine these, we have 19 plus -3. Since the signs are different, we subtract their absolute values. 19 minus 3 is 16. And since 19 is larger in absolute value and positive, our result is positive. Let's look at one more. So rewriting as addition, we have 10 plus -8. Now instead of -2, we're going to put plus -2. Instead of minus -1, we're going to put plus +1, or just plus 1. And instead of -6, we're going to put plus -6. Now our positive terms are 10 and 1, and our negative terms are -8, -2, and -6. So the sum of our positive terms, 10 and 1, is 11. And the sum of our negative terms, -8, -2, -6, well, their absolute values total 16, and they're all negative, so we have -16. Now we're going to combine these results. 11 plus -16. So since the signs are different, we subtract the absolute values. 16 minus 11 is 5. And in this case, 16 is larger and negative 16 is larger in absolute value. And since it's negative, our result is negative.